right now. We have Trevor, um, Wilkie's Movies and Music. Thank you, Bushka K9. Thank you, Bushka, and congratulations again. I know you're already monetized. And yeah, and sometimes I will, I don't have time to catch up on your live streaming, guys, but I'll try and do my best to provide my support in the best way that I could. Friends of Dasher and More, thank you. Stitching It Up, thank you so much for being very supportive. Thank you. Red Dodge, thank you. And what can I say to you? Try to do more videos if you can. And I'm just here to support you, okay? All about Deepshika World. Thank you for coming. Bonk, I apologize, okay? I didn't see you right away. I saw you when I started back reading a couple of minutes ago. All right. That's the problem when people are flooding or dropping emojis, so many emojis all at the same time, and then it actually that's actually flooding, right? And the hosts find it difficult to backread, and sometimes I won't be able to backread anymore. All right. So there are people who were there that I will miss, and I won't be able to acknowledge their presence. So if ever I miss you guys, my apologies. And if you think there are some people flooding, just drop in some emojis as well so that I can see you. Um, all about in one recipe blog. All about in one blog, my recipe. Aneta, thank you. Um, who else? Sparkly. Yeah, is the one I missed too. I um, I gave you a mod so that the next time you come in, you'll be able to connect, and people will be able to connect with you with no difficulties at all. Minas 360, thank you. Mi amiga, thank you for coming. Kasia, thank you. If you got the time, watch her shorts. You got a very good voice, and yeah. So, and of course, ang aking mga loyal na mga supporters na hindi nawawala tuwing ako'y nagla-live stream. Maraming salamat dahil May, Bell, Alex Marzan, Lau Clan, and Marby, thank you for dropping by. Maraming salamat po. Chona, my friend, nauna ka nang nag-thumbs up dyan sa una. Nakita kita. Maraming salamat. Matulog ka na or busy ka sa pagmamarites. O napupuyat yan sa pagmamarites. Sana pag nagmamarites tayo, kumikita tayo. Ano ta? And who else? Did I miss anyone? If I miss anyone, Stitching It Up, I already did. Cherber, I already mentioned your name. Who else? That's it. So, guys, you guys take care. And don't forget to Chinsky. Oh, Your Honor, umabol ka pa. Maraming salamat, Your Honor. Nagpapaan na ako eh. Have a great day. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy nyo lang. Please enjoy everything that you have with you, every person that are with you. Enjoy every moment, right? Be thankful for everything that you receive every day. Be thankful for all the opportunities that are being given to us to do better than what we did yesterday, to be a better person than what we are yesterday. We're just human beings. We commit mistakes, but the most important thing is that we regret about it. The most important thing is that we try to avoid doing it again, right? And we avoid people that will have a negative impact in our lives. All right. So you guys take care. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Enjoy. Yeah. Thank you, Stitching, and I have you too, right? I'll see you tonight. I'll see you later. So, okay, guys. God bless us all.